In this video, we are going to write the sulfur electron configuration. You know that this is the simple symbol of sulfur. It has its atomic number is 16. This means that it has 16 electrons. We need to distribute these 16 electrons to a different sublevel. We know that usually we use 4 sublevel: S, P, D and F. So S is our first sublevel, P our second, D our third and F is our fourth sublevel. You know that F sublevel can hold 2, P can hold maximum 6, D can 10 and F can 14. Okay, so again I will write this sublevel S, P, D, F. So to do electron configuration of sulfur, we need to memorize the sequence of this sublevel. So at first we'll write SS just once, then we'll write PS, but we'll write PS twice. Then we'll write DPS twice, DPS, right? Then we'll consider or write FDPS, FDPS, FDPS. You can write FDPS to many times, but you have to write SS just one, then PS just 2, DPS just 2. There is no limit for FDPS. Okay, now look, we'll place these 16 electrons. So S can take maximum 2, 4, 10, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So we don't need this sublevel. Now we have to place number. S start from 1S, then second S will be twice S, then 3S. P start from second 2, 2P, 3P. So this is the electron configuration of sulfur, right? Neutral sulfur. And this electron configuration is called long form electron configuration of sulfur, or unabbreviated electron configuration of sulfur. Okay, so what will be the noble gas electron configuration for sulfur, or abbreviated electron configuration or shorthand configuration for sulfur? This is, you can say, longhand electron configuration. So what will be the shorthand? Okay, look, to write the shorthand electron configuration, we know that in group 18 of periodic table we have helium, neon, argon, xenon, radon, right? These are the noble gas. So to write this electron configuration as a short form, so we'll select a noble gas that's atomic number is immediately lower than 16. So if I select argon, that is argon has 18 atomic number, which is greater. So we have to select this neon. You know that neon has 10 atomic number, so its number of electron is 10. So 2, 4, 6, 10. So up to this is the electron configuration of neon. And then we have 3s2, 3p4. So this is the electron configuration of sulfur using noble gas notation, or shorthand electron configuration of the sulfur. So now I would like to show you another way to write the electron configuration of sulfur. So at first you have to write this thing, then sulfur has 16 electrons. So S, you know that S subshell always maximum can take 2, P can take 6 and D can take 10 and F can take 14. So 1S 2, then we have to write 2S2, then we have to write 2P6. So we have used 6, 8, 10, then 3s2, 12, then 3p, 4. So this is the electron configuration using this diagram. I think this method is easy, right? Just you have to remember this sequence: SS, PS, PS, DPS, DPS, FDPS, 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 FDPS. S start from 1s, P start from 2sp, and D start from 3d, and F start from 4f. So that's all about the electron configuration of sulfur.